What the president has done beyond the scope of the federal health insurance reform law was challenged in Green Bay's federal court today. Republican U.S. Senator Ron Johnson of Oshkosh sued in January. Now government attorneys are asking the judge to throw out the case. Fox 11's Andrew LaCombe has balanced coverage.
Senator Ron Johnson says a rule created by President Obama's administration has hurt his credibility among constituents.
Americans hate it when elected officials or people in power are exempt from laws, where they are not in the exact same position.
Before the law, congressional members and their staff had most of their health care paid for by the federal government. Under the law, that support was supposed to be dropped. However, the Obama administration added a rule allowing the funding to continue under the small business health care marketplace.
Putting my employees into a shop exchange, which is only available to small employers, people with less than 100 employees. Congress alone employs 11,000 people. So this really
During the hour-long hearing, a lawyer for the federal government argued Johnson can't sue because he isn't harmed by the rule. The attorney for the U.S. Department of Justice would not comment after the hearing. We contacted the department's press office and were told to refer to court documents filed before the hearing. Those documents say Johnson's claim of damaged credibility does not give him the ability to sue because it relies wholly on speculation about how third parties might react to government policies. Meanwhile, fellow Republican Representative Jim Sensenbrenner of Menominee Falls has called Johnson's lawsuit a political stunt. When the lawsuit was filed in January, Sensenbrenner said if Johnson wins, the legislative branch of the federal government would be weakened. He said that's because many top congressional employees will leave their jobs. The lawsuit could either proceed or be thrown out of federal court. There's no word when Judge William Griesbach will announce his decision. In Green Bay, Andrew LaCombe, Fox 11 News.
By the way, Griesbach was appointed by former President George W. Bush, and Johnson's campaign has said that it will cover the lawyers' fees generated by the lawsuit.